Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring. Snowing and blowing up bushels of fun. Now...
Oh my God!
Hey guys, it's Blaize. Or should I say ho 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 guys, it's Blaize. Mwah. Ho ho ho. So yesterday I asked you guys on all of my social medias, like my Instagram, my Facebook page, my Snapchat, everywhere. I put it on my community page here on YouTube to send me your holiday Q&A questions so we can do a holiday Q&A, and you guys sent me a whole bunch of questions, so I'm going to A, your cues. I got this at Dollar Tree. Isn't it so super cute? But the camera is cutting off the top, but you know, we'll just pretend that it's not. Okay, first question from Kimber Boker. I'm sorry if I'm mispronouncing your name. What is your favorite Christmas movie? My favorite Christmas movie here. Maybe I should do this. Okay, my favorite Christmas movie. I have a few of them. The Ref is an amazing one. It's one that me and my mother and my sister watched every single year. It is a tradition. Kevin Spacey does star in it, but just try to put that away for an hour and a half and then go back to being mad at him like I do. It's an amazing movie. Dennis Leary stars in it. He is so hilarious. I love Krampus. It is an amazing movie. I love Santa Claus is Coming to Town. I know that's childish and weird and creepy, but I don't care. What other movies do I like? I love Elf. Obviously, Elf is a classic. And I think those are my top favorite movies. From Erica Chapman Bradshaw, your best Christmas present. Material-wise, my Roku TV that I got last year. I love it because I can watch YouTube videos on my TV, and it's just much easier to navigate like Netflix and Amazon and Hulu and all that. So I love my TV. The year that my mom had that headboard made for my bed, it was leopard print. And it was like cushioned and had jewels on it. You guys have seen it if you've been with me since 2016. That was, and she had that specially made for me. So that was amazing as well. I think those are my favorite Christmas gifts. Is that my favorite Christmas? Oh, and the blanket and pillow set of Edgar Allan Poe collages that my mother had made for me as well. I love that gift. Material wise, my favorite Christmas gift ever really was hitting 1,000 subscribers last year around Christmas time. That was like the best gift. But my favorite thing about Christmas is really just spending it with my family and giving, you know, going to the food bank and donating to them and donating to charity. My whole family loves doing that. And crafting with my sister. The first year we started this tradition. 2016 we did our anti-stress glitter jars that we made by ourselves. Mine is still over there. I love it. Last year we made our own ornaments. This year my sister wants to make slime. So that's a better gift than anything material, honestly, that I have gotten. Okay, Tammy Bright, favorite Christmas tradition. As I just mentioned in that one, I love giving to charities, going to the local food bank, going for Toys for Tots, that kind of thing, doing crafts with my sister. I love doing that because I love spending time with my sister. Watching Christmas movies with my mother and my sister and Christmas specials and stuff like that. And Christmas Eve. I like Christmas Eve more than I like Christmas Day because we spend more time together on Christmas Eve where we have like the dinner and we celebrate. Christmas Day is just basically presents and chilling. So me and my mom both agree that Christmas Eve is much better than Christmas Day. Lisa Lanham, how did you feel when you found out there was no Santa Claus? Guys, really? Don't let the government and everybody wipe your brain cells completely away. Santa does exist. One of them, he's right here. I've got 2 more of him over there. I've got another one of him over there. Santa Claus exists. I was never told that Santa Claus doesn't exist because that's not true, and my parents don't lie to me. So, open your minds, people. Santa Claus is alive and well. Melanie Fletcher, what do you want for Christmas this year? Again, we're gonna go material-wise. I want a Juvia's Place palette really, really bad. Really, really bad. I've been wanting one for a couple of years now, and I just never picked one up or anything, but this year I really want to do it. I want a really good ring light instead of the crappy one that I have, so I can have better lighting in my videos. Better equipment for my videos and my channel overall I would like to receive. Is that it? I think that's it. That's like what's on the top. Oh, and I want a necklace that from my dad, since my dad is a jeweler by trade and he makes jewelry, along with fixing jewelry. He's a diamond setter, he's a goldsmith, he does it all. He has since he was 16 years old. It's pretty much the only job he's ever had. I want him to make me a necklace that says Blaize on it. So that's on the top of my list too. This person asked me to block out their name, so I'm respecting their wishes. They have 5 questions. First, what do you do Christmas Day? Like I said, we open presents in the morning. We'll open half the presents in the morning. Then we'll take a time out and just watch TV, chill, play games, do that, you know, by ourselves. And then in the late afternoon, early evening, we'll open up the rest of the gifts. That's what we do on Christmas Day. Favorite Christmas song? Okay, Carol of the Bells, especially by the Trans-Siberian Orchestra. Love Carol of the Bells. Dance of the Sugar Plum Fairies is my ringtone. It's my ringtone every year since I think 2008 or 2009. I've always had that. And I know it's not a Christmas song, and I've corrected every year since I've been on YouTube. Greensleeves, it being written by Henry VIII for his then lover Anne Boleyn. But they made it into a Christmas song for some reason. But sadly, as I've been doing research this past year, it turns out that there are people, like historians, who say that Henry VIII never even wrote that song. That song didn't even exist until years and years after he died. So I'm a little heartbroken. I still love Greensleeves. But I'm like, what now? Why all of a sudden are you telling us this? What? No, I still believe Henry wrote it for Anne. So if I have to live in denial, I will. Favorite Christmas memory? Oh, that's interesting. Okay, my favorite Christmas memory would have to actually be Christmas Eve of last year when my mother surprised the whole family with like this really cute shrimp cocktail party, and it was just such a nice, sweet little thing to do as a family and come together and just, you know, even if it's just the 4 of us plus my kitty cat. It was a really nice thing to do, and you know, it was just really sweet and quiet and time to, you know, like just spend time as a family and eat some yummy things and be merry. Do you still celebrate Yule? Yes. If you guys don't know, if you are new here or you just don't know, I am pagan by belief, Wiccan more to be exact. So Christmas was actually, and I'm not saying this to offend any Christian people out there, I love my Christians, don't get me wrong when I say this. Christians actually did steal the holiday Yule from pagans to make it Christmas. Originally it was called Yule and had nothing to do with anything that Christmas has to do with. So I celebrate Yule, Hanukkah, and Christmas because my beliefs, my personal beliefs, my heritage, and Christmas, because Christmas is the best holiday out of every holiday in the world. What is your favorite holiday food and snack? Ooh, my favorite holiday food would be a roast of some kind, like pork roast or beef roast, something of a roast. Or, no, my nanny's kugel. Oh my goodness. I used to know how to make it, but the last time I made it was for Corey's family in 2008, and I haven't made it since, so I really want to try to get the recipe because her spaghetti kugel is the best. My favorite snacks are just like those Pillsbury, like made to eat or made ready to bake sugar cookies that have like the Santas and the Christmas trees and Rudolph on it and stuff like that, that you just pop in the oven and for like 15 minutes and they're done. That's really my favorite Christmas treat. From Farah McClarity, what is your all-time favorite Christmas song and movie? I've already been through that, so we already went through that. From Tara Nalata, let me see, Tara Natala Cat. What is your favorite Nightmare Before Christmas song? That's an interesting one. I like this question. I can't choose, but I'll put my top 3. This Is Halloween, What's This, and Sally's Song. Those are my 3 favorite. Poke Mama 94. What Christmas character from any Christmas movie would you say you relate to the most? Mayor. Mayor from Nightmare Before Christmas. I relate to him so much because he's Mayor, and that's why I love him so much, because I relate to him so much, just panicking and being stressed out all the time, and then for a minute being really, really happy, and then just being like, oh, I'm crashing, I'm down. 2424, I'm down. From Tiandra Sweet Tea, what are some of your favorite Christmas time things to do? Again, I've been through this, donating through charity, doing crafts with my sister, going shopping with my mom, watching movies with my mom, watching specials with my mom and my sister, and just spending time with my family. That's my favorite thing about Christmas. From Lindsay Enzor, white lights or colored lights? I honestly love both. I love the way colored lights are because they're colorful, but I prefer white lights. I just think they look a lot more, sorry, my nose is itchy. I think they look a lot more classy and prettier, and I just like the way white lights look, especially on trees. But I do like colored lights, but I would prefer white lights. By the way, Lindsay, I told you to DM me because I'm willing to pay for you to send me some Dollar Tree nails. So that was everything that you guys asked me for this holiday Q&A. Thank you guys so much for your questions. You guys had some good ones this year. I hope I answered them to your satisfaction. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and if you like these kinds of videos, give me a big ol' thumbs up to let me know. Don't forget to go down below, hit the subscribe button, and subscribe to this channel right now and become a Blaizer and a part of the Blaize Nation. We'd love to have you here as long as you're as wicked as we are. Woo! Hope you guys are having a wonderful holiday season, and I will talk to you guys soon. Until next time, my beautiful ones, stay wicked and festive.